Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. This time we are going to solve Kite Bros Railway puzzle, Resident Evil 3 Remake PS4. If you remember, this place is where Jill found the shotgun before facing the spiders in the power stations. So here's the place. Don't worry, there are no zombies inside and no enemies. You just need to find the right room and solve the puzzle so the train can move to the right directions. So, let's start.
Okay, back again. Carlos, I'm in the control room. Now what?
Nice. Now you gotta plot out a route.
Okay, give me a second. What did he say? Redstone Street to Fox Park.
So this is the right combinations. RE or Redstone Street with 01, and then FA or Faust Avenue with 02, and then RA or Raccoon Central with 03, and then SA or St. Michael's Clock Tower with 02, and then FO or Fox Park Station with 01.
What did he say? Redstone Street to Fox Park.
Valid route confirmed.
Carlos, it's me. I finished inputting subway route.
Okay, thank you everyone for watching. See you for the next video.
Back to the station. We'll make sure the subway's ready to depart.